Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome back in your active English class. Today we will do chapter number 20, that is what time is it? What time is it? Okay, so today we will learn about clock and the time. So today we will learn about clock and the time. Okay, so before we start the chapter, I want to show you different kinds of watches. Okay, let's see here. You can see there are different kinds of watches. Here you can see it's a very simple watch with the numbers. In this there are Roman numbers. You can see here Roman numbers are there in this watch. And then here you have a designer watch. In this you can see flower and leaves are there, design is there. Then you can see fancy watch. Then you can see here a house shaped watch. So in the market there are different kinds of watches. I will teach you that how telling the time is so easy. You will be also learning about the clock face, okay? The clock face, minute hand, hour hand, and soon you will know how to tell the time very easily. So are you ready? Let's start. Now this is a clock face. Around the edge of the clock you can see the numbers. You can see the numbers here. Yes, it has the number 12 at the top and moves from left to right. Moves from left to right. So from 12 we will go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and back to 12. Okay? This is our hand. This is our hand. You can see it is in black in color. It moves clockwise direction. So this is called clockwise direction. Now it's the smallest hand which indicates hour. So this is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock and so on. If the hour is in between the two numbers, if the hour hand is in between the two numbers, now you can see it is in between the 2 and the 3. We still say it's in the 2 o'clock range. It is still 2 o'clock. Okay. Hour does not change until it is pointing right at the next number. As long as the hour hand points the 2 and the 3, it is still 2 o'clock. Okay. Let's try one more. Now you can see the hour hand is pointing the 7 and the 8. Right now the hour hand is in between 7 and the 8. Now tell me, is this 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock? It is still 7 o'clock. Okay. It will not be 8 o'clock until the hour hand points right at the 8. Right at the 8. Okay. We already know that small hand tells us about the hour. This long hand is a minute hand. The minute hand tells us about how much time has passed after the hour. This indicates each minute that passed within the hour. So this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Then 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes and 10 minutes. Then 15 minutes. So you can see this is a 5, 10, 15. Then on 3 it is 15, 4, 20 minutes. When it's 5, when it's pointing 5, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, then 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Now, when telling time, we always look at the hour hand first. Now, so on this watch, the hour hand is pointing 1 and the minute hand is pointing 12. Pointing to the 12. So what time is this? So when hour hand points 1 and minute hand points 12, it is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Very good. Now, what time is it? It is the hour hand is pointing 2 and the minute hand is pointing 12. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. Very good. Next, the hour hand is pointing 4 and the minute hand is pointing 12. It is 4 o'clock. Very good. Now, our hand is pointing 6 and minute hand is pointing 12. It is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Next one. Now it is 9 o'clock. Very good. Now both the hand is pointing 12. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. Very good. Okay. Now next. Now see the time here. Our hand is pointing in between the 8 and the 9. So it is still 8 o'clock, correct? Now here the minute hand is pointing 3. Now what time it is? Now let's count here. Let's count the minutes. From here 5, 10, 15. Minute hand is on 3. It is 15. So the time is 8:15. Now 8:15 is also called a quarter past 8. A quarter past 8. Now that means 15 minutes is past. Okay. Now there are 4 quarters. Now let's see the 4 quarters. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 4 quarters on the clock face. So when we use the word past, you can see the word past. When we use the word past, the minute hand is always in this section of the clock face. Let's see one example, okay? You can see the hour hand is in between the 8 and the 9, so it will be 8 o'clock. Now you can see the minute hand. It is pointing 2. That means it is 5, 10 minutes. The minute hand is in this section. The time will be, it is 10 past 8. Now 10 is 10 minutes. It is 10 past, means 10 minutes is past for 8 o'clock. Okay, let's see the next one. Minute hand is on 3. That means it is 15, 8:15. So it is a quarter past 8. For 15 minutes we say quarter. Very good. So it is a quarter past 8. That means 15 minutes is past for 8 o'clock. Next, the minute hand is on 5. Let's count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. So the time is, it is 25 past 8. It is 25 past 8. That means 25 minutes is past for 8 o'clock. Past 8. Okay, now let's see. Now we have done the past. Now we will see this quarter. Now it is called 2. Now when we are talking about this quarter, we will use the word 2. When the minute hand passed the 6, the moment it passed the 6, we say 2. The time, you can see here, which is showing here the time. Now you can see the hour hand here, it is closest to 9, right? So that means, now how much time is left? Now here tell me the time. It is 8 o'clock, right? And what minute, and tell me the minute here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That means 8:35. Now when it is 8:35, that means it is about to 9 o'clock. Now how much time is left? See here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 minutes are left for 9 o'clock. So we will say it is 25 minutes to 9. That means after 25 minutes it will be 9 o'clock. So that means it is 25 minutes left to 9 o'clock. Okay, let's see one more example. Now, how much time is left for 9 o'clock? Now tell me how much time is left for 9 o'clock. 5, 10, 15. After 15 minutes it will be 9 o'clock. So when 15 minutes are left, we will use the word quarter. So it is quarter to 9. That means 15 minutes is left for 9 o'clock. After 15 minutes it will be 9 o'clock. But right now it is 15 minutes are left to 9 o'clock. It is a quarter to 9. Now let's see one more here. Now, how much time is left for 9 o'clock? How much time is left? Only 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it will 9 o'clock. So 5, it is 5 to 9. It is 5 to 9. That means only 5 minutes are left for 9 o'clock. Okay? Very good. Now let's see what time is it. The small hand is pointing 3 and the long hand, that is minute hand, is pointing 12. So what time it is? It is 3 o'clock. Very good. Now tell me the time. The hour hand is pointing in between the 3 and the 4. That means it is 3 o'clock. Very good. And the minute hand is pointing 6. So what time it is? 3:30. Very good. This is 3:30. It is also called 3:30. It is 3:30 means half minute is, we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. 30 minutes is past for 3 o'clock. Let's see the next one. See the hour hand here. It is in between the 5 and the 6. That means it is a 5 o'clock. Very good. And minute, so the minute hand, it is pointing 6 o'clock. That means it is a 5:30. And how will you say 5:30? It is half past 5. It is half past 5. Let's see the next one. Now see the hour hand first. It is 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock? It is 8 o'clock. Very good. And see the minute hand, it is on 6. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes. Now 8:30. 8:30. And 8:30 is also called, it is half past 8. Very good. It is half past 8. Very good. Now let's see the next one. Now see the hour hand. It is in between the 11 and the 12. Now tell me the time. 11:30. Very good. It is also called 11. Half past 11. Very nice. Now I request you to open your Active English book, page number 38. Page number 38. Now left top in the corner you will write today's date, that is 9/10/2020. 9/10/2020, that is 9 October. Okay. Now we will do the textual exercise. Now see the question here, draw the hands. Now you have to draw the hands, minute hand and hour hand. Okay, let's see. It is 2 o'clock. Now let's see the watch. Now this is your watch. Now you have to draw hour hand and minute hand. Now 2 o'clock, so hour hand will be pointing at 2. Very good. And minute hand will point 12. Very good. It is 2 o'clock. So now you have to draw the hands. Small hand, hour hand, you will point 2 o'clock, and to minute hand you will point 12. Now draw. You can pause the video and draw. Okay. Done. Let's do the next one. It is 3:30. Now let's see the clock. Now first we have to draw hour hand. Very good. 3:30. The hour hand will be on 3 or 4. It will be in between. Okay, let's see here. The hour hand will be in between 3 and 4. Very good. Now minute hand, half past. Let's see. 6. Okay, so you have to draw the hour hand in between 3 and 4 and minute hand pointing towards 6. Okay, pause the video and draw. Done. Very good. Next, let's do the next one. It is 10:04. It is 10:04. Now let's see the clock. Now hour hand. Hour hand will be on 4. Very good. Now next, a little away from 4, not exactly on 4, a little away, and 10 past. Minute hand will be 10. This one or this one? Yes, 5:10 here too. Okay, it is 10:04. Very good. Let's do the next one. Page number 39. It is 5:15. It is 5:15. Now let's see. Now our hand will be on. Our hand will point at 5. Very good. Little away from 5. This is your hour hand pointing at 5. Now quarter means 15 minutes. Now 5:15. Quarter means 15 minutes. Okay, next one. It is 20 to 7. That means it is not 7 yet. It is 20 minutes are still left to 7. That means 20 minutes are left to 7 o'clock. Let's see the watch here. Now tell me the hour hand. So it is not 7 o'clock yet. 20 minutes are left. So where will our hand point? It will point at in between 7 and 6. See here. Now little bit closer to 7 because we have left only 20 minutes. So the 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes are left for 7 o'clock. Correct? So it is 20 minutes to 7. That means 20 minutes are left for 7 o'clock. The moment it will cross 8, 9, 10, 12, when it will reach 12, it will be 7 o'clock. Okay, let's see the next one. It is 25 past 8. That means 25 minutes is past for 8 o'clock. Let's see the watch. Okay, now 25 minutes past 8. Now 8 o'clock. So, our hand will be on 8 or 9 or in between. In between. Very good. Now 25 minutes. Now tell me 25 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now the minute hand will point at 5. That means it is 25 minutes. It is 25 past 8. Okay. Now next one. It is a quarter to 10. It is a quarter to 10. That means 15 minutes are left for 10 o'clock. Let's see the watch. Now hour hand. Now tell me where will be the hour hand. In between 9, 10 or 10. So where will be the hour hand? Let's see. It will be near to 10. It will be near to 10 because it is not 10 o'clock yet. How much time is left for 10 o'clock? Quarter. Quarter means 15 minutes. Very good. Now 15 minutes are left for 10 o'clock. That means it is a quarter to 10. Okay, let's see the next one. And the last one. It is 5 to 12. It is 5 to 12. That means only 5 minutes are left for 12 o'clock. Let's see the watch. Okay, now it is 5 minutes to 12. Now our hand will be pointing at near the 12 o'clock. It is not 12 o'clock yet. How much minutes are left? Only 5 minutes. So the minute hand will be on 11 because only 5 minutes are left for 12 o'clock. The moment it will reach here, the hand hour also reach on 12. So it is 5 to 12. It means 5 minutes left to 12 o'clock. That means it is 5 minutes left to 12 o'clock. Okay. So isn't it very easy and very interesting to see the different kinds of watches and the time? So I request you to see this video again, complete your active English book. You can pause the video anytime and draw it very neatly. Your pointing should be very neat. Please draw the hands very neatly. One is small and one is big. Revise this chapter. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.